These headlights on our Camry were cloudy, yellowed, and honestly making the car look older than it is. Not only does that affect appearance, but it can cut down on visibility at night. So we grabbed the Rain-X Premium Headlight Restoration Kit to see if it could bring them back to life. Inside the kit, you get sanding discs and 3 grits, a polishing pad, buffing polish, and a final sealing wipe. You'll need your own cordless drill, painter's tape, spray bottle with water, and some paper towels. It's a full system designed to walk you from cloudy to clear. Step 1 is cleaning. We gave the lenses a good wipe with a household cleaner, then taped off the paint around the headlights. That tape is important. It keeps you from accidentally scuffing the car's finish while sanding. Step 2 is sanding. You start with the brown disc, misting the lens and the pad with water. Using light to medium pressure, we work the drill back and forth across the lens until it looked evenly frosted. This takes a few minutes, but it's where the heavy yellowing disappears. Next comes the gray disc, which smooths things out further. Same method, keep it wet, move evenly, and check your progress. At this point, the lens should be looking semi-clear. Finally, we move on to the blue disc. This step really refines the surface. After wiping it down, the headlights already looked much clearer than when we started, even before polish. Step 3 is polishing. We swapped on the orange foam pad, added about a nickel-sized amount of polish, and smeared it on the headlights before turning on the drill to cut down on splatter. After about a couple of passes here, you start to see the clarity return. We repeated the polish until the lenses look crystal clear. Honestly, this is the most satisfying part of the whole process. You start to see the payoff instantly. Step 4 is protecting. The kit includes a sealing wipe. You can put on the gloves, open the pouch, and work quickly to coat the lens in one even motion. It dries to form a layer that helps keep the headlights from ever hazing over again. After the sealing dried, the headlights looked completely transformed. The cloudy haze was gone, and we finally had that clear, sharp finish back again. Just compare the before and after shots. The difference really jumps out. Overall, we were impressed. The Rain-X kit takes some time and elbow grease, but the drill attachments really make it easier, and the results were professional looking for a fraction of what a shop would charge. So if your headlights are cloudy or scratched, this kit is absolutely worth considering.